I'm going to show you how to find and repair a leak in a tubeless tire. Whether you've got a situation like this, where you've got a screw in your tire, or you've got a leak and you don't know where it's coming from, I'll show you how to repair them both. I've got a tire that has had a slow leak for about a year, and instead of filling it up every few days, I finally decide to get around to fix it. So I'll show you how to do that. All you need is a little soapy water. You can put Dawn and water mixed together, and we're going to look for bubbles. Took the cap off, and I want to check that first. The valve, and see if the valve's leaking. We've got no leaks there, so we'll move on to the rim. I'll just spray around the rim. Check for leaks, and there's no bubbling. So we'll move to the back side. It's good. On the back side, so now we'll check the tire. I see some bubbles, barely. That's why it's such a slow leak. I always carry one of these patch kits. It's the plugs. I've never had a problem with them. There's various selections, and they're not very expensive, as you can tell. If you've got a nail or a screw in your tire, you just grab the object and pull it out. Next, we'll remount the hole. Use this tool here. And here's my little hole, and I'm just gonna put it in. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab a plug and put it on the tool. Just slide it in here. And pull it halfway through. Then I take the rubber cement and I just like to put some on the plug. Pull this out and put the plug in. Okay, we got it in, and then you just pull it out quick, and the tip will spread and leave the plug in there. This little tip here spreads, leaves that plug in. Then in the kit they provide a little knife, and you can cut off the excess. And we're patched. Now we'll fill the tire back up. Check for a leak there one more time. We're all clear. And that's how easy it is to fix a flat tire. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.